the biggest impact that I've noticed that I just switched over to for being able to run and being able to really carry the same setup pretty much wherever I go is the ammo that I'm carrying. I am currently carrying the Pilgrim 9mm defensive ammo, and if you can see this ammo is like it's super light. There's like literally it's burnt. There's no like it's hollow in there. And you wouldn't think that it would have that much of a difference, but when I tell you that I've noticed a significant difference from the Hornady critical defense ammo that I was carrying to this is like it's so light.